Hello and welcome to MultiTeach. In this tutorial, I will discuss the Arrange lesson type. The Arrange lesson type provides teachers and students with a flexible way to present and interact with a wide range of content and concepts. Arrange can be used with younger children to reinforce sequential learning, such as following routines, getting dressed, making a sandwich, eating an apple. The goal is to drag items located at the top and bottom of the screen to markers on a curved timeline located in the center of the screen. Here, Arrange is used to demonstrate the life cycle of a butterfly. Arrange is good for ordering the sequence of historical events or the sequence of events in a story. Arrange can be used to demonstrate the sequence of steps required to solve more complex mathematical problems. Here, I'll start with an existing lesson to further demonstrate Arrange. In this example, I imported a previously created Arrange lesson from my desktop by selecting the Import Lesson button located in the left column on the screen. Select the Create New Lesson button if you'd like to make a new lesson as an option. This will lead you to the Manage Content interface. Here, you can add or edit any content. Select Play to interact with the lesson content in full screen mode. Here, I'll demonstrate how to create a new Arrange lesson. Select the Lessons icon from the Snowflake MultiTeach Tools screen. Circled in red is the Create New Lesson button. Selecting this button will lead you to the Lessons Type selection screen. Selecting Arrange leads you to the Arrange Lesson Manage Content screen. Type in the title of your lesson in the text box at the top left-hand side of the screen. Select Create Content, and you can add boxes for text and import of digital content. Note that you are in the Manage Content screen. Tap the icon on the Create Content button to add the number of items you plan to use in the Arrange lesson. A background button is located on the right side of each text box. In this example, selecting the background button leads me to a file folder on my desktop, where I previously labeled my photos according to order for easy access. As you select items, they are randomly placed at the top and bottom of the Arrange preview, located in the upper right-hand side of the screen. When the lesson is completed and then played, the items will be dragged to markers on the curved timeline in the center of the screen. Back to the left-hand side of the screen, notice that each text box has a delete icon on the left side. You can access this to delete items that are no longer needed. You can add another item by selecting the Create Content button and add text or a picture. On the far right side of each text box, there is a handlebar that you can grab and drag to move your items to a different spot. Here it is not needed, so I delete it. Select the Customize Content button to move to the next step. This will lead you to the Customize Content screen. You will see a numbered tag in the center of a dashed line in the Customize Content screen. Below this line are two text boxes where you can type the name of the first and last items in your Arrange lesson. Note, setting the order for the items in your lesson must be done in the Customize Content screen. In this example, I'll label the start and end items by typing first and last in the corresponding text boxes. I'll select the numbered tag in the center of the dashed line to uncover the other numbered tags and place them in the order and location they will appear on the Arrange timeline. Select the Update Preview button located at the bottom left-hand side of the screen to set the order of the content. Moving to the right side of the screen, just below the Arrange Preview screen, I'll select the Browse button to import a background picture for the Arrange lesson. Here I notice that the text at the end of the timeline is visible, but the text for the beginning of the timeline is not. Below the Arrange Preview screen, I can change the color of the text, add a font shadow, change the size of the font, and change the font type. Here I can also set a timer for the Arrange lesson. Select or change a background picture for the lesson, or choose to use one of the many preset themes in place of a picture background. The Preview screen provides a way to play the lesson and check if any changes are needed. I can select the visible hidden icon located in the upper right-hand side of the Preview screen to hide or show check marks. Select the Play button located in the lower right-hand side of the screen to interact with the lesson in full screen mode. In full screen mode, you can set the visible hidden icon just as you can in the Preview screen. You can access the MultiTeach corner menu to select the Hide Reveal button to move items off and on the timeline. You can also press the Reset button to restart the lesson. Press the Back button to return to the previous screen. Select the Export button in the lower right-hand section of the screen if you would like to save a copy of your lesson to the hard drive. Select the Community button to export your lesson directly from Snowflake MultiTeach to the MultiTeach Lessons community if you have previously registered to do so. Enter the required information into the text boxes and then press Submit. Visit the NUITEQ Snowflake MultiTeach website to find information about Snowflake MultiTeach, its features, how to obtain a copy of the software, and how to register for the online MultiTeach Lessons community. Visit the Lessons section of the Snowflake MultiTeach Support Wiki for additional information about creating various MultiTeach lessons. Visit the NUITEQ Snowflake MultiTeach Lessons community to sign up to download, import, and upload free interactive lessons. Visit the MultiTeach Pinterest site to gain access to a wide range of lesson planning resources and links. This has been a tutorial about the NUITEQ Snowflake MultiTeach Arrange lesson type.